YouTube, it's Kim. I hope you're doing well. Today's video is on vision boards, which I used to keep track of goals in such an unpredictable life. With quarantine life going on, this is a fun project you can do at home to stay motivated for a better future. If you want to see more creative content, helpful tips, or lifestyle inspo, don't forget to hit subscribe. So, let's talk vision boards. Okay, so my tripod gave up on me, so I'm just gonna film selfie style. All right, so I just want to share. So this book, Mind Your Business, a workbook to grow your creative passion into a full-time gig by Alana Griffo. My mom got this off of Amazon and gave it to me for Christmas because she saw that I was on such an entrepreneurial high, and it is so helpful if you do want to start your own business, especially in the creative realm. In this book, there's a section in the first chapter in regards to vision boards that I wanted to share with you. I want to share my vision board in this book and the one on my wall, just to help inspire you and motivate you to get to where you want to be. I'm a very visual person, so I do rely on vision boards. Honestly, you could do vision boards in any way. It doesn't have to be cutting paper and putting it on a poster board or in a book or anything. It could be as simple as putting something on your desk, which I guess you could say I have another vision board there too, because I do have some like pictures and cute stuff on my desk too. Let's go take a look at my desk. Sorry for the mess on my desk, but this section right here, all these cute things also inspire me. Try to live a simple life. I love anything that has to do with the honeybee shop. Her shop is one of the reasons why I also want to have a shop as well. And there's me and my boo thing. And also from the honeybee shop, lay low and boss up, because your girl wants to be a girl boss. Well, I apologize for the shakiness of this video, just because, again, my tripod kind of gave up on me. So I'm holding my camera. So this is how the book looks. It's a really fun workbook. Like, I've filled it out. I still have to fill out this page. Whoops. So let's get to the vision board. Here. Okay, so I will definitely break this down for y'all. I surrounded all the images with this message in the middle. Think, dream, plan. I want to start with this section. This is my boo thing. I love this image because this is us with boba. My future business has something to do with bubble tea. Therefore, I love this picture of him. He's such a stud muffin. And so he is definitely on my vision board because he is one of my biggest fans, and he always motivates me. Even when there are times I don't believe in myself, he always pulls through in helping me believe in myself and believe in my dreams. So I'm really thankful and grateful for a best friend and boyfriend who totally gets me and is always there for me. So he obviously gets this big picture on here. In this corner are all of the designs I have done. This is a t-shirt that I've done for work that says "Teamwork runs through our veins." And this is a little image my coworker sent me to use as a template, and that's the end result. This is a hand lettering project that I did for my friends Tree and Barb. This was a gift. I love hand lettering, and that's something I also want to put in my business, a service I want to provide. This is a digital drawing for my future shop that I've done, and ironically there's a bubble tea sticker that's very similar. The thing is, I'll be very honest, I have done this image before I've seen that. So it's putting that there next to each other tells me that great minds think alike, and sometimes we have to just kind of be more creative in what we do to kind of stand out. This image I digitally drew for my friend Steven, aka the Outdoor Office. The moment he thought of the name, I was like, this is exactly what I thought of, because he loves the outdoors, and this is an office looking like cursor because he's in IT. And I surround it with, stickers. I love this sticker. This is from the Paper Dolls Co. because I want to travel more. So that's that one sticker. And also from the same shop, this is Mulberry drawing on an iPad, which that's what I've done with these images. And this is Balabi from Oh Hello, because I love my boo thing. And in this corner, this section are some of the girl bosses who inspire me. This is the Blushing Script. I love her Instagram. Aesthetically pleasing. Her house, aesthetically pleasing. I just love her aesthetics. I'm not even into macrame so much, but her products are gorgeous, and I love her craft room. This is her actual craft room. Like, that's Pinterest worthy. That's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Lindsay is so creative and she is so real. Just watching her Insta stories are just so funny at times, and I like her a lot. Like, she's really cool and down to earth. And same with Shannon. I love the Honeybee shop. I love her artwork. I love her doodles. Like, doodle shops, like inspire me, because that's what I've been wanting to do. Oh my gosh, is that my finger? Yeah, because from the ink on the... Oh, sorry guys. Anyways, love the Honeybee shop. I love her store. She is just one of my big inspirations. And same with Amber Kim Christel. Like, I love her work ethic. She is just killing it in the craft world right now. And even though she's in Miami and I'm kind of sort of in Miami, like, ironically I met her in Chicago at a planner conference. But hey, one day I might bump into her in Publix or Joann's. Who knows? And I stole this from her Insta story. Let kindness be your marketing strategy, because that is amazing advice right there. So yeah, there's that section. Some of the people who inspire me. These girl bosses are amazing. And this section is just the boba section, because again, my future shop has something to do with bubble tea. So there's me and my friend with bubble tea to represent all my friends and family who support me in not only my bubble tea habits, but also in my dreams and aspirations and wanting to open this shop. And then in this section, I have one of my favorite quotes. If your dreams don't scare you, they're not big enough. So dream big, y'all. Make your dreams come true. I wake up to this every morning because I'm a side sleeper. Here's my bed. Here's my wall. Yep, I go to sleep and wake up to this all the time. So here's a little breakdown of this hot mess right here. I don't know if I want to like break down everything, but I'll break down what I can, because it's kind of self-explanatory. There's all these pin backings there because I have a lot of pins on my board. So you see a section here with Chicago on it. This is from, I want to say, Banana Doodle Shop, and this is a Starbucks card because I freaking love Chicago. I see myself living there for a little bit. I mean, I don't know if I want to raise a family or anything there, but I do want to experience like a year or two of my life in there. In fact, this picture of me and my friends in Chicago, we went a few years ago. A lot of these cute pins. I don't collect just any pin. If you're on my board somehow, that means you mean something, or you inspire me, or you're something of my life. We'd be here forever actually if I just broke down every pin, but you know, there's pins that reflect the creative side of me, the side that loves caffeine and boba, more creative sides of me. I love Disney, more caffeine, more Disney. So yeah, that's that in the realm of flares and pins. I have this picture printed out of the, what's it called? This scrapbook box? Scrap box? Basically, it's a foldable creative office. I want one so badly. And I think if I just put it on my wall, I will one day get one, I believe. This is a card that says places to go. The first 3 I've already done. I wanted to do the main festivals at Epcot, and I've already been to Festival of the Arts, Flower and Garden, and Food and Wine. So check. I do want to visit Charlotte, North Carolina. I want to visit my friend there, and I have friends in Seattle, Washington as well. Those are 2 places that are next on my travel list. I mean, I want to travel the world if I can. I mean, at this time, it's probably hard to, but those are definitely next on my list. Oh, my Dear Evan Hansen pin, because I love this musical. This is actually my favorite musical. One Broadway show that really, really is so relatable to me is Dear Evan Hansen. I just thought this was funny. It's really cute. And I love to eat. And I'm Filipino, so if you understand Tagalog, then you'll understand this joke, just because I love puns. So I thought this was really funny. I like this card that says take the risk, because that's what I'm doing. Just diving into this YouTube world is already a risk in itself. Like, I always wonder, like, are people ever watching my stuff? Am I even worth watching? But I really want to be a YouTuber, so that is a risk worth taking. I have to include a picture of myself. Not because I'm a narcissist or anything, but because I do struggle with issues of self-esteem, and I have to remind myself that everything that I do is for me. Sometimes I just put other people before me, and being a nurse, that's naturally what we're gonna do. We have to take care of others, but sometimes I go 110% doing things for other people that I have to make time for myself. I have to take care of myself. Sorry for the reflection of the red light. That's my GoPro. But yeah, so that picture in itself is just a reminder that everything I do is for me. I am my own boss. And yeah, this is what I wake up to every morning. So yeah, like I said, it doesn't have to be an actual board with pictures and stuff. Your vision board could be something as simple as a digital, putting pictures together on your phone. Pinterest is amazing. Like, that is like vision board on vision board on vision board. It doesn't require you to use any supplies. You just need Wi-Fi. Like my quarantine outfit, t-shirt and sweats all day, every day when I'm off, yeah. It's so weird. Okay, so I was just filming my outro, and when I did the playback of it, I just cut off my head. Like, I cut off my face. You just hear me talking from here down. Awkward. Anyways, just to wrap things up, I hope you guys enjoyed this video about vision boards, and I hope sharing my vision boards inspired you to create one for yourself. I really think vision boards are really helpful in visualizing your goals and what you want to do, how to get there. And again, there's a lot of ways to get around it. Even if you don't want to cut images and put them together, Pinterest is amazing. So if you want to share your vision boards with me, oh my gosh, I actually would love to see it. Add me on Instagram, crafty. If it's not on the screen, it's in the description box below. Add me. I want to see what you've come up with. Thanks for tuning in and watching this video. Please subscribe to me if you want to see more creative content. I got you. So yeah, see you in the next video, okay? Stay safe, wash your hands. Bye, y'all.